Alright, so the pipe, we had a pinhole leak. Went ahead and used cold weld epoxy on it. That'll cure a day or two, and it'll be hardened, and it'll hold that pin leak from going further. And I expanded it all the way around where it could break it further out. Just a quick temporary remedy until which time we want to replace the pipe completely. Alright, well, this is non-functional. I can't even move it. So we're going to go ahead and replace this with this one here. Let's see what we got under here. Okay. Water shut off. Okay. All right, there we go. Okay. They're rigid ones, so they do not move easy. Let's see. See if we can get this in here now. With the way these lines are, it's almost impossible to get these in because they're bent. There's no one to go on. This tool is kind of useless on these. Yep. Can't use this on them. So, either we can get it off this way or we're going to have to cut it off. All right.
I'll see you later.
Okay, we will. Hopefully. Later. Okay. It looks like that one came out pretty good. All right, boom. So we still was able to use this tool, which is great. And do it from there. Alright, now let's get the my wrench to Alright, so let's pull this out. Okay, there's the old one. Alright, so I'm dropping that in. Let's go underneath. Alright, there we are. I just kind of hand tighten them first. Okay. Use my tightener. Okay, let's put him back in. That's just the first one. All right, so I tightened this up, the supply line up here, and that stopped the leaking there. And there are no other leaks anywhere else. So this sink is now fixed. And it's nice and dry down here too. All right, let's check it out. That works. Got your hot, cold, cold, hot. Bam, nice new faucet. All right, so we got a big leaker up here. This one leaks a lot. So we're gonna go ahead and get under here. Turn this water off. Oh wow, that's froze. I can't turn it off, huh? They're both froze, eh? Oh, well that sucks. Alright, so we finally got this one out. I had to cut it out. It was very difficult to get out the way they did it, but I just go in and cut the stuff out. Okay. And I was unable to screw the rest out, but that was a hard one to get out. We did it. All right. All right, so we got the new faucet in, no more leaking. Okay, perfect. No drips. All right, no leaks here, no leaks. Looks good. All right. These are almost always my concern is if they leak. Yeah. Cold, hot. But I don't see nothing. Yep, it's drip free. It's not coming nothing out. Nothing's coming out on either one. All right, we're good.